banget. Nah ini kita mau angkat supaya nggak punya.
Nama gue Rina. Gue habis nonton One on the Pill. I'm so surprised. They are really good, and I really love them. I really enjoy when I'm watching them, how they act, and they did a really great job. So mungkin kalian bisa stalking them, watch them especially. You probably will like it. So yeah, thank you.